What's up guys? Today we have the DET behind me. That's Deck Over Equipment Tilt. Now the DET hasn't gotten a lot of love over the years as far as making videos and doing demonstrations, but it's definitely one of the most versatile equipment trailers in the Diamond C lineup. Today we're going to show you a few features and options on this one and prove that versatility. We're going to jump right into what makes the DET so special. That's that it's 102 inches wide in a deck over format, but tilts to easily load and unload equipment on the daily basis. The DET standard with a wireless control system to where you can easily operate the bed from the cab of the equipment or right around the trailer. One of the options that really adds value on this DET is the HD V-tongue lid. This lid covers area of the tongue that's normally void on most equipment trailers, but also gives you extended deck space to where you can haul, say, a job box, a toolbox, a cooler, things like that that may not fit on the area where you have your equipment, but you also have the ability to tie it down and make it to the job site. It doubles as a massive amount of storage space inside for chains and binders, things that need to be locked and secured out of the way. This area also houses the battery and pump that runs the bed of the trailer, and it also has a 5-amp charger built in so that when the trailer is stowed, say at your shop or at your house, you can keep it plugged in and keep the battery hot. With the power system that this DET has, it allows us to add a hydraulic jack as well. So the same power system runs both the jack and the bed for ease. And if you've ever used a hydraulic jack, it'll make you never ever want to crank a manual jack again in your life. The last feature we're going to look at is the 18,000 pound GVWR package. The DET has 4 available GVWR packages to really allow you to choose the capacity that'll best serve the work you need to do. We knew starting with this Kubota SVL 95, it weighs 11,300 pounds, so the base DET at 14,900 wasn't going to get it done, or at least not for very long before you started wearing out bearings and brakes and springs and things. So the next step up is 18,000. This DET, the way it's optioned, 22 feet long, just as you see it, weighs 5,600 pounds by the sticker. Every Diamond C trailer, once it's quality inspected, about to leave the factory, is run across the scales, and that's the actual weight that's on the sticker. So this one shows 5,600. You subtract that from your 18,000. That gives you 12,400 pounds of useful payload capacity. The SVL 95, again, 11.3, so we've got an additional extra 1,100 pounds of payload capacity, making this setup really, really perfect for hauling this machine.